Recently, one video of a young boy running home from work is winning hearts on social media because he refused to have lift and preferred to run home. Hence, he doesn't get time to do his running practice, to join the army, to join his dream job otherwise during the day. And overnight, that boy became the talk of the town. Hold on. This video is not about that boy. Although his story is so inspiring and deserves everyone's attention, but here, by the help of him, we are going to learn the phrase the talk of the town. The talk of the town, yes. So, the term the talk of the town refers to anyone who, for the moment, has caught the public interest or is being extensively written in the newspaper, or you can see it in news channel, or to be more specific, in gossip columns. So basically, when someone or something or any event becomes popular, famous, or you could say has succeeded to snatch the limelight because of its action or because of its behavior, or either you could say because of its content. So in this situation, we can use the phrase the talk of the town. Alright? Also, it can be in a good way, in a positive way, or it can be in a negative way. Means someone could be the talk of the town because of negative reasons or because of positive reasons. Anything can happen. Both sides can be considered. Let's take another real example. So, a movie, The Kashmir Files, has done unthinkable at the box office, and it has united people and emerged as one of the biggest hits in Bollywood. So for that movie, you can use that phrase and you can say that the Kashmir Files has become the talk of the town. As I mentioned, it can be used in a negative way. So there are those whose bad, outrageous and saucy behavior brings them publicity from those who criticize them. So in this way also you can use this phrase, the talk of the town. So here is an example. His strange behavior is the talk of the town. I think now you have understood what is the meaning of this phrase and how can you apply during your conversation. And don't worry, still I have left few hot topics so that you can frame sentences by using the phrase the talk of the town. And this is not something I'm requesting to you. This is my command and you have to follow it. You can't pass it. You don't have any choice. So on this note, I would like to say tata, bye bye. But जाने से पहले ये ज़रूर बोलना चाहूँगी कि अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया है, हेल्पफुल है, तो प्लीज़ हिट द लाइक बटन, डू सब्सक्राइब और जो बेल आइकॉन है उसे भी प्रेस कर दीजिएगा. इससे आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहेंगे मेरे वीडियो के. एंड ये वीडियो कैसा लगा, आपका कोई सजेशन है, कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, सो प्लीज़ राइट डाउन बिलो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आई वुड लव टू रीड योर लवली मैसेजेस. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.